Hello, let's see what are logical operators in Python. We have already seen them, right, in our earlier session, like and or, right? So, also we have another logical operator called not, which we are going to discuss in this video. Apart from this, we also have an operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not operator, and we have all these operators. But let me just put up a little example here so that it will be clear for you all. So let me use a print function. Let me just write here print. uh, Let me write a number here. 4 is greater than 5. Let's see what we'll get here. Yes, whether 4 is greater than 5. No, so that gives a false output. Well, let us just check if 4 is less than 5. Yes, that is true. So it gives the output as true. Now, going further, these are the two operators we have seen. We also have another operator called double equal to. So let us see whether what we'll get here, whether it is true or false. Obviously, it's false, right? And there is an operator called equal to, which we generally assign a variable, right? Can we check what we'll get here? So it says the error expression cannot contain assignment. Perhaps you meant it is double equal to. So it is just asking that it will never assign any kind of, you know, expression cannot contain any kind of assignment. So it's just asking whether it is equal to a question mark. So we need to be very careful while assigning an operator. So this equal to and double equal to is different, because double equal to is uh, to compare between the two values or two strings. All right, this is about double equal to operator. So we can also think about something like, uh, maybe I just wanted to delete this. Maybe we can just think about uh, other things, like maybe a string to string, whether a is greater than b. So it works, right? It's a big surprise. So I just want you to just go to the Google and try to find out why is it false. Or else we can also try something like a is greater than capital letter. It is true. So some things we need to search it in the Google, but these things are not really important because nobody wants to write such a complex code. All right, but one has to know why it is happening. So please Google it and try to find out. And let us also put in another way. Let us use the print function again. So can we write something like this? 1 is less than, 2 is less than, 3 is less than 4. So what do you think I will get here? Will this work? Yes, it will work. This is just an expression, so it should work. Now, can we do anything? Can we do something like this? Is equal to 2 less than. Oh, it is also working, right? Can we do something like greater than or equal to? It gives false because 1 is never greater than or equal to 2. So these are expressions, and we can use such kind of expressions, right? And there is another important thing which is called not equal to. Let me just use the print function here, and let me write that one value which is not equal to 1. What do you think I will get as an output here? It is false because 1 is equal to 1, right? If in case 1 equal to, then I get true. This is an expression for not, actually. So this is also one of the important expression. So and further we can also use for which I can write here as not, and use the boolean operator true. So print which is not true will give false, which is not false can give. So we can also write expressions in this way. So well, that is it in this session. We'll see some examples in our next video.